Hello, Dr. Danger Mousette here, and today I'm going to show you how to use adhesive backed sanding discs with the Dremel 3000 tool. So you have, first off, generally, a dizzying array of tools. Now the adhesive back sanding discs, if you look here, normally come in a tube like this. I'll tell you, they don't always, but I'll show you what they look like anyway, so you get the right thing. They are very small, like that, no hole in them, unusually, and a white back there. So what we need to do is peel off the white back. Now this is where I wish I had more manicured nails, but because I'm always doing daft projects, I keep breaking them. So we peeled the back off like that, just put that to one side, and now we're looking for a mandrel that we can attach it to so that we can insert it into the Dremel. So we're looking through here, what we're looking for is one of these. You see there? It's a rubber mandrel. So we're quite simply looking at that. And we need to attach the sanding disc to that. So I'll show you how to do it. We've got the disc here, we've got the mandrel here, and we stick it on. Can you see that? Like that. So we have the sanding disc, and then we go ahead and just put it in the Dremel as normal. So here's the Dremel I prepared earlier. Let's have a look. Hold down the spindle lock, open up the chuck, insert, hold down the spindle lock, tighten. There we go. And we have the sanding disc inserted into the Dremel. Okay, so now you know how to use the sanding disc with the Dremel. Now what I would say is be very careful with the sanding disc, because they're only used for very light sanding. So you need a very light touch when you come to the wood, and I'd only use it for very delicate shaping and maybe the removal of splinters and stuff like that. Don't use it for heavy sanding of paint or whatever like that. There are plenty of other tools that you can get for that job, and I'll go into those and make videos on them later, but it's things like the sanding discs and the sanding wheels. So there you go, how to attach an adhesive sanding disc. Thank you for your time. Please press like and subscribe if this was helpful.